Today we're going to be doing a turn signal bulb, this guy right here in a Toyota RAV4. So let's jump into it. First thing we're going to do is we have this little protective plate. We reach up here at the top, we pop that. There's a couple clips that come out of there. That comes off. Orientation, that little curved part's here at the top. Underneath we're going to see two 10mm bolts. We're going to start popping those guys out. We're going to take them completely out. I'm going to break them free here. So yep, those guys are coming off. Then we need to pull the light off. I'm going to grab here and back here and give it a little massage. Make sure you're pulling straight back. The reason is you have a clip here that hooks into the light. And the reason it's difficult is there's a little pressure fitting right here that fits into there. Now when we pull this guy off, we can really quickly, if you have the bulb next to you, just grab this guy. I'm going to throw some gloves on real quick. All right, I got the gloves on. So this is our turn signal bulb here. We're going to take this and turn it counterclockwise. It does take a little bit of pressure. There is a seal in there. This guy comes out. And when you remove this, you just pull it out. Now these are directional, the way the leads go into here, so make sure that you get them the right way. If you check it, you might have to rotate the bulb if it's not turning on. Try that to troubleshoot, very first thing to try there. So then our bulb is replaced, it goes in, make sure you handle with gloves, like I said. I'll put a link in the description for this bulb and this whole light fixture. But we've replaced our bulb. We'll go check it. If you need to do these lights, these are proprietary tail light for the RAV4, so they're an LED light. But when I put this back in, we want to make sure we line up all the little pegs and stuff before we push. And then when we push, there's a little click to get that in. And now we're going to throw our bolts back on. Once we throw our bolts back in here, and also all these holes and everything should line up. If they don't, this might be in crooked. So just make sure that that's in, it's popped all the way in, and everything lines up the way it should. And this looks perfect. So I'm just going to use my 10mm to get these hand tight before tightening them down. Boom, and then tightness on this. So I got the bolts till they were snug, and then I would say about a quarter turn. Boom, that's it. So it just went from here to here, and you don't want to tighten these too much because this is plastic, that torque can crack it. If this was helpful, please leave a comment. Boom. That guy just pushes right on there. Make sure it lines up here and here. Push on. And that's how you replace a turn signal bulb on a 2020 RAV4. This is the same for 2019 up to 2022. And I think even the newest generation, 23 and 24. So if this was helpful, give a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know how it went, and we'll talk to you next time.